Polly parrot. Peppa and her family are visiting Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig. Granny Pig, Grandpa Pig, and Egg, Papa Egg. Papa Egg is really good. So many little ones. Come inside. We have a surprise. What is it? We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is? Dinosaur? No, it isn't a dinosaur. Come and see. Granny and Grandpa Pig have a pet parrot. Peppa, George, this is our pet parrot. She's called Polly. Pretty Polly. Pretty Polly? Peppa. Oh, wow. Granny, I'm a clever parrot. I'm a clever parrot. Mummy, why does Polly copy everything that Granny said? That's what parrots do. I will show you. Hello, Polly. Hello, Polly. What a sweet little parrot. What a sweet little parrot. Come on, everyone. Tea time. Peppa yelled, come on. There's chocolate cake. Coming, Granny. Peppa and George love eating chocolate cake, but today they're hungry to get back and play with Polly Parrot. Finish! What a noisy little one you are. Granny Pig, can we leave the table and go and see Polly Parrot? I'm sure you completely finished your game. Off you go then. Hooray! George, say something to Polly. George is a little bit shy. Hello. Hello. Peppa and George are really enjoying playing with Polly Parrot. I'm Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. George, say something. Peppa and George, pretending to be parrots. I'm a Polly Parrot. Peppa is thinking something else to say to Peppa. I'm a noisy parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. Peppa, George, have you been playing with Polly? Yes, Granny. Polly is just a sweet parrot. Yes, Granny. I'm a clever parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. Oh my word.